you guys, welcome back to Alecia at Home. Today I am coming with a quick pantry organization video. It is well overdue, and I said, well, what better time than to complete this than right here when the new year is beginning to start. So here I am with my unorganized pantry, ready to get it all organized with you guys today. So if you like this type of video, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new, please consider subscribing. It's for free, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I do post. So there are so many different storage and organization containers and tips and tricks and stuff, you guys. I just wanted to do something that was going to be perfect for my family. So I hope that you all found some tips in my video that you can maybe use in your pantry as well. If you did, let me know in the comments below. All of the items that I purchased to get my pantry in order are more or less going to hide the items that I kind of have, like oatmeal and juice boxes and all of those things that can take up a lot of space. I wanted to make it simple and easy for my children to grab it, and for my husband, and also for myself. Just a simple system that we could follow.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no,
Here lately I've been really wanting to do a lot more juicing, so I wanted to have my juicing containers right at my hand's reach, and so this system made it very easy and simple to do that.
everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I really like these crates because they make it easier to hide little things like these juice bottles, and even like potatoes and onions and just bulky type items. And I really like to conceal those items in my pantry, so these crates definitely made that possible.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you?
Now these containers work great for those grab and go items as well, like my fruit cups and noodles and stuff like that that the kids like to grab on the often. These are actually the food storage containers that I'm going to be using in the pantry. It also came with the chalk marker, which I really love, and some cute little labels for me to like label everything. And it came out really cute, you guys, but I'm super bummed out because I don't know what happened to my footage. I had footage of me actually putting everything in the pantry and organizing it and you know, getting it everywhere that I wanted and kind of rearranging it and resorting it until I got it perfect. And I have no idea what happened to the footage. But this is the reveal, you guys. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. It is for free. And hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I do post. I put a few clips in here showing the different angles of my pantry. It is not the best, but it is working for us right now. So I'm super excited that we went ahead and reorganized our pantry.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time.